Today we will learn video duration timer in Premiere Pro. Watch the video carefully. We will create a transform video layer. Then we will go effect and search timecode effect. And leave the effect on the top layer. Again we will go effect and search crop effect and leave the effect on the top layer. And next the top layer. And we will go speed and direction and turn on the reverse speed. And we will create a rectangle shape. Copy the shape layer. And again we will go effect and search tint effect. And leave the effect on the top layer. Change the color as you wish. Is done. Now when we launch it, it will look like this. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and like and comment if you have any question. See you again next time. Have a nice day.